America is hooked on GLP-1 weight loss shots like Ozempic and Wegovy. But two new rivals could rewrite the obesity playbook. Meet Maritide and Ecnoglutide, next-gen obesity drugs that could be more powerful, longer lasting, and even easier to take. But the bigger question is, which one will dominate the US market? Let's break it down in pharmacist style. Hi, I'm Mayank, licensed pharmacist from RX Indian Pharmacist channel, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing this channel. I get you the new informative videos every week. Right now, 42% of US adults meet the criteria for obesity. It's not just a weight issue. It's linked to other underlying conditions like heart diseases, heart stroke, type 2 diabetes, and billions of costs in healthcare. GLP-1 drugs like semaglutide, Ozempic and Wegovy, and tirzepatide, Mounjaro and Zepbound have changed the game, but they have come with issues. Weekly injections, side effects like nausea, supply shortages, and their costs that could be $1,000 plus. Maritide and Ecnoglutide, potential challengers with strong dosing intervals and different side effect profiles in new delivery formats. If they succeed, they could reshape how Americans lose weight. Meet Maritide, developed by Amgen, a GLP-1 plus GIP dual targeting antibody peptide conjugate. In phase 2 trials in US, 20% average weight loss in non-diabetics at 52 weeks is observed. In people with type 2 diabetes, 17% weight loss plus A1C dropout to 2.2%. Its dosing is only once a month instead of weekly. Bonus: improvements in blood pressure and cholesterol. No plateau at 1 year. Weight kept going down in studies. There are certain challenges, Maritide challenges, but there is a catch. At higher doses, up to 27% patient in clinical trial stopped the treatment because of side effects like nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. That's more than double the dropout rate at lower doses. Amgen is now testing slower dose escalations in phase 3 trials to see if patients could tolerate it better. If that works out, Maritide could become the first major monthly GLP-1 shot in US. Now, let me introduce you to Ecnoglutide. It's created by Cywin Biosciences. It's a long-acting GLP-1 analog. Its phase 3 clinical trials were conducted in China that showed 10 to 15% average weight loss, on par with Wegovy. Significant A1C reduction in diabetics. It's weekly injection for now, but oral tablet version is in development. US launch could require FDA approvals, likely through a licensing partner. Now let's talk about the rivalry story between Maritide and Ecnoglutide in US market. Round 1. Effectiveness. Maritide showed 20% weight loss in monthly dosing, wherein Ecnoglutide showed 10 to 15% weight loss in weekly dosing. Round 2. Side effects. Maritide showed higher GI dropouts unless titrated slowly. Wherein Ecnoglutide showed mild GI effects, good trial retentions. Round 3. Cost and access in US. Maritide could be expensive biologic, but monthly dosing may appeal to insurers, wherein Ecnoglutide, designed for cheaper manufacturing, could undercut rivals. Round 4. FDA timeline. Maritide phase 3 US trials are now on in US. Data is expected to come out by 2027, wherein Ecnoglutide would need US trials or bridging studies. Earliest we could expect data to come out by 2026 or 2027. Why it matters for US patients and pharmacists. For patients, monthly shots could mean fewer missed doses, and oral GLP-1 could open the access for those afraid of needles. For pharmacists, this means new counseling points, insurance prior authorization battles, and shift in how we manage obesity medicines alongside diabetes medicines. So, in the American market, who's your money on? Is it Maritide, heavyweight monthly punch, or Ecnoglutide, steady weekly pace with possible pill? Drop your comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel RX Indian Pharmacist. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed. Bye for now.